In this video, we will see what are the different display method with the help of math classes available in order to display the heading, title, body text, etc. Suppose that we want to display the text in this type. So there are different classes that are available in our math material, and with the help of those predefined classes we can just render those headings or display text. We can also go and create our own class, but these are the predefined classes that we can utilize in our daily application. So let us start creating with our previous component that we are already using, material demo component. So right now we have nothing as such over here. If we try to add mat display 4, display 3, display 2, display 1 for display text, then let us see what is the output. So this is what we are achieving it. Let me just comment it out. And if we want to see what are the different heading and subheading, then we can use mat heading, mat title, subheading, subheading 1 and 2. So this is what we are achieving. Now let us see the different body text that we can apply over here. So this is how the text will look like if we are using these classes. And if we are using mat typography and inside it we are using heading and whatever, then let's see what is the output. So this is what we are achieving with the help of predefined material classes for our display text.